Speaking of legit, though, how about this? The first sunrise of fall.
Beautiful.
Starting off on a beautiful note, my friend.
I like it when the sky is clear, but when we have clouds like the high clouds around during sunrise or sunset times, we can get some beautiful colors.
Gorgeous.
And that's exactly what we have this morning. So good morning, everybody. Let's see if we have any more. Let's check and see what's going on here with the one of the activities happening today. The Greater Boston Walk to End Alzheimer's takes place on North Point Park in Cambridge at 11 o'clock this morning, and it will have warmed up by then. We'll have a decent amount of sunshine, still a little bit of high cloudiness left over. It'll be pleasant because there won't be any wind, just a very, very slight drift of the air, around 63 degrees around 11 o'clock this morning. So that's an event for today. Let's check out the numbers from yesterday. They were in the low to a few middle 70s, but most of the high temperatures yesterday in most locations happened early yesterday morning, and it never recovered back much above 70 in most spots during the day with some of that cloudiness. Here we had the shot from the Seaport Hotel just a little while ago in Boston, looking out on the waterfront. That's another glorious shot there, a sunrise shot with all that high cloudiness in place. So in Boston, it is 53 as of 6 o'clock this morning, and the dew point is 43, refreshing, crisp fall air on this first full day of fall. The northwest breeze is blowing now, but we'll switch into the northeast and east later on, but it isn't going to blow very much, 10 miles an hour or less in most spots. So this is how it'll shake out for us for today in Boston, going up, being up around 63 to 11. Then jumping up to 67 to 69 the first half of the afternoon, possibly nudging 70 just inland a little bit. The temperature this morning is 15 to as much as almost 30 degrees lower this morning than it was at this time yesterday morning. With some of these readings, look at this, 34 in Plymouth, New Hampshire this morning. The usual chilly spots where there is radiation cooling over to Laconia where it's 39. Sanford, Maine at the airport always gets really cold and under these conditions with just some high thin clouds there, 38. It's in the 40s in much of southern New England except the urban centers are warmer. A little bit warmer on Cape Cod and the islands, a little bit of an influence of the breeze coming across the water there. We have a second cold front on its way, and behind that there's actually some snow showers in Canada. We're not going to get any snow showers here, but this front will come down very late tonight and first thing tomorrow morning to introduce some clouds in from the ocean. As the cold air starts sweeping in over the relatively warm water, it's going to create some clouds, and those clouds will build across New England during tomorrow. Today, some pleasant temperatures across the nation. Still hot in some locations, still humid over the southeastern states, but not here. The dry air will continue, and most of the cloudiness during the day will be across southern New England. We'll see, especially from the Mass Pike south, even this afternoon, some filtered sunshine there. But the high thin cloudiness up to the north of us this morning is likely going to thin out, and a lot of it's going to be disappearing. So that high pressure will build to the north of us tomorrow. The chilly air will rush right in to give us all those developing clouds over eastern New England and pushing into central sections too. And then this warm front approaches on Tuesday with quite a bit of rain. There could be an inch or a bit more in some spots. Then we get into this humid sector on Wednesday. That's when there could be a shower, thunderstorm late in the day or Wednesday night. And then we're back to some fine weather the second half of the week. So Wednesday, if we get any sunny breaks developing later in the morning or into the afternoon, it could shoot up to 80 and very humid and a gusty south and southwest wind.